Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. What would Jesus mean by saying love one another? Would he mean that we always say romantic words? Would he mean do or express physical touch, give gifts, spend quality time, do or extend an act of service? And we might say that those are a must. Dahil pagpapahayag naman ng pag-ibig ang mga iyon, lahat naman ng mga iyon ay pag-ibig, pagpapakita ng pag-ibig. But would he really mean only those? May I invite you to recall our readings for today. 2 apostles were sent with the names and the persons of Silas and Judas to a community of believers who were trembling because of unfounded and misleading teachings. You don't send another trigger to rise or to spice another trigger, but you send someone who will comfort and not intimidate. And thus the presence of the 2 apostles, Judas and Silas. On the one hand, we've heard once more the story of Jesus and his disciples during the Last Supper. He was not there around that table to intimidate how a boss or a senior would command his or her subordinates. The love of Jesus for his apostles was of comfort, was of peace and consolation. He saw these men as deserving of truth. He saw these men as someone whom he can call as friends. Doon sa hapag na iyon, naranasan ng mga alagad na mahal kami nitong sinusundan namin dahil wala siyang tinatago sa amin. He broke the barrier of a boss and a servant, of a master and a slave, and saw us as friends. My dear brothers and sisters, loving won't only be about sweet words, our touch, giving time, services, and all. When we love, we comfort and make peace. Lovers won't intimidate. Lovers would make you at peace. Lovers would say everything is fine. Lovers are peacemakers. Lovers will not disturb your heart. Lovers would continue to secure you and make you face a life that is hopeful. Jesus is asking us, my dear friends, to love one another. It is not only in the level of romanticism or being showy with gifts, time, presence, and touch. With all the best things we can do for loving, we also put making peace, of comforting, and of giving strength. Love is not intimidating. Love is comforting. Love makes us sensitive to others. Love won't put others down. Love will make us extend peace, see the value of others, and make life consoling because we love one another.